HTML, short for Hypertext Markup Language, is the predominant markup language for the creation of web pages. It provides a means to describe the structure of text-based information in a document by denoting certain text as headings, paragraphs, lists, and so on, and to supplement that text with interactive forms, embedded images, and other objects. Microsoft FrontPage is an easy-to-use Windows WYSYWYG HTML editor. It is very full-featured and has lots of extras for the personal publisher, especially if you post your pages to a server with Microsoft extensions enabled. Windows Live Movie Maker is a movie creation, editing, and sharing application provided within the Windows Live Essential suite of software utilities. Windows Live Movie Maker allows users to build movies from photos, videos, and animation, providing built-in sound and effects like typical movie-making software. Windows Live Movie Maker was formerly known as Windows Movie Maker. Here are some parts of the CPU: motherboard, power supply, hard disk, land card, and RAM. To format a drive means to prepare the chosen partition on the drive to be used by an operating system by deleting all of the data and setting up a file system. The most popular file system to support Windows is NTFS, but FAT32 is also sometimes used. In Windows, formatting a partition is usually done from the Disk Management tool. You can also format a drive using the format command in a command line interface like Command Prompt. In the world of computers, networking is the practice of linking two or more computing devices together for the purpose of sharing data. Networks are built with a mix of computer hardware and computer software.